Look at that oxidation. Some of you guys think that the descalers don't affect metal. So here I have some old barnacle buster because I used to use it. We have a piece of zinc, we have a piece of aluminum, and then we have a piece of steel. We're going to put them in the barnacle buster. Let's see what happens. You can see there's some slight bubbling from the pan itself. You see the zinc is starting to oxidate. The aluminum is starting to oxidate. The steel will take a little bit longer, but it will oxidate. See the zinc, the steel is starting to oxidate. That's what the bubbles are. That is the process of the acid interacting with the metal, releasing oxygen. That's how they oxidize the surface layers. Look at how fast it's happening to the zinc. Now again, this is pure barnacle buster, and you're going to say, oh, well, we dilute it. Well, when you dilute it, you're just slowing this process down. But remember, the material inside the engine is literally made of metal. And so if you dilute this enough where it can't break down metal, then it can't break down the stuff inside your engine. See that just slid like that? That was because the oxidation bubbling underneath. The aluminum isn't quite bubbling as bad as the steel or the zinc. There's absolutely no question what's happening to that zinc. There's absolutely no question what's happening to that steel. It is happening to this aluminum, just a bit slower. This is marine grade aluminum, so it is holding up a little better. This piece of steel is really accelerating. It's sliding around because what's happening is air bubbles are developing a layer between the steel and the pan, and that's causing it to move around a bit. You can see the zinc is heavily oxidating too. You can see the aluminum is oxidating as well. There is no possible way you could think that this acid is not affecting this metal. When you put this in your engine to clean the metal that already corroded out of your block, you're risking taking metal out of your block. Look at how fast it's reacting now. It's been about 20 minutes. You can plainly see plenty of bubbles on the aluminum and the zinc. The steel is really going to town, and this is what would be happening to your head gasket. This is exactly what it's doing to the inside of your engine.
Visit waterdogoutboard.com and get your motor protected today.